Welcome. This is our 4th week online to motor learning. And let me encourage you just to hang in there. The end is in sight. We just have this week. And then next week, you will just finish up with your final unit tests. So for this week, obviously the major part of this week will be your paper. I encourage you to go back and look at the grading rubric, and that your review of literature paper is due on the end of the day, no later than Tuesday night. For your chapters this week, you'll be looking at whole part practice, and that's chapter 18 in our text. And again, as you go through the chapter, there are PowerPoint slides available along with chapter notes. You have the lecture that's online, and then make sure you answer the questions completely. Some of you are missing points just because you're not answering the questions completely. So develop your answers, make sure you answer the question that is asked. For chapter 18, the lab is a simple lab. You're just going to be writing out some part and whole practice strategies. So you do not need a lab partner for this lab. And then, of course, you have your chapter 18 quiz. We'll finish up this week with a chapter on mental practice. And again, you'll have your PowerPoint slides, your chapter notes, then the lecture with questions. And for the lab this week, for mental practice, there's a movement imagery questionnaire that you'll actually go through. There'll be several different scenarios. You'll have somebody read those scenarios to you, and then you're going to practice your mental imagery. How good are you at mental rehearsal? And again, you'll need just somebody there to read the different scenarios to you. And then you'll finish up with chapter 19 quiz. Let me just encourage you again to hang in there. If you have any questions, please let me know. I don't want you to be frustrated, so if you're not clear about something, shoot me an email, and I will try to get back as quick as I can with some clarification. All right? Have a great week.